we're gonna make crunchy slime. This is what we need: white glue,
again,
and we need shaving cream,
we need spoons,
and we need solution,
bowls,
and foam beads.
2 bowls.
Let's get started.
Let's get started. Oh, I should just take it out.
Oh, it stinks.
It felt like glue.
Because it just good.
I know.
Is it good?
Daddy, look at this. Here's the line.
We're not gonna add coloring. We're just gonna make it. Okay, is it still dripping now?
You don't have to
Okay, we got enough of it. Okay, now
I think you know
we're gonna put solution. Well, I don't do that. I'm gonna put some solution. Don't put too much so I don't overact it. Okay, and then I'm gonna mix
How
it
am I
together.
dumping?
Okay. No, like, you know, like this. No, I mean like that. Okay. Okay, mix it up.
Then mix.
Wait, and then we need to add a little bit more activator when we doesn't.
Yeah. It activated. Not I got that card.
A little bit more.
Me only want the line. Yeah.
You can put a little bit more so I can stick that. I actually really like the color of it, the white color.
Yeah, me too. Me too, Dad. Oh, how do you like the feel?
Oh,
Look at
I just
that.
felt like a little crunch on it.
Oh, they like it.
Add baking soda.
This in a wake. No.
Okay, pour some. Don't put too much, just put some.
Like to get together?
A little bit. It looks really watery, but it is sticking together.
Yeah. Oh.
Oh, I can hear the crunches. Like a little bit more. Don't add too much, so it doesn't overact. Okay, now it's working. Look at this, guys. It's going in good.
It's going in. It puts it.
Ooh. This is a workout.
Yeah.
It just made a bubble by itself.
Me too.
Let's just put all in the glue in
Need
there.
to be a lot and boil it, but it'll get to mix. Mine is sticky. Mine.
I know.
It's sticky to tell you now.
Okay. I think this is good mixing. So now we're gonna put a little bit of shaving cream.
Look,
Won't
guys.
stop moving. Okay.
Look at
Wait.
this first. Look at me. Look at this thing. Look colorful. We can make it one now.
Just add some. Okay.
Me.
Let me help you. Just add some.
With the mix.
Yeah, mix. Whoa, look how fluffy it is. We didn't even put that much. It's so fluffy. I love fluffy slime. It looks so...
Look, guys.
It looks like...
I want to make this.
This looks like marshmallow. Melted marshmallow.
Banana. It's
And it's so good. It just...
so nice.
Do not eat slime. That's dangerous.
Yeah.
Only when you make edible slime, you can make that. You can eat edible slime, like marshmallow slime,
But
Sour
not
Patch Kid slime.
dinner, guys.
I saw it in YouTube.
A little bit more.
No, don't put more. Okay, you don't want to put it too fluffy. Okay, let me get the foam bead. beads. Okay, the foam beads.
Sorry, guys. You're making mess.
Okay, now I'm gonna.
Don't need to make a mess with the puppy. One more puppy.
Okay, we're gonna mix it. I think I should mix it with my hands.
No. Do you?
Okay, I try this.
I can make it. Can we make it in my hand?
Put more foam beads.
Okay.
Put a little more. It's really sticky.
I know. My.
But I do layer out. It actually feels really crunchy. Here it is, guys.
Hey, my ears. Guys. Hey, guys.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, now this is really cool marshmallow fry.
Yeah.
It is like so marshmallowy.
Yeah. You hear that?
I really like this
I want to rub my hand, but
It
not
smells
yet.
like amazing. That is amazing. It is really, really, really good.
Yeah.
And I like how it feels. And hear the crunch. Be quiet, Marcin.
Whoa.
Pokes in it.
Look, Dad.
Wow.
Oh, no, I'll make a bubble. I'm gonna.
It's just like they go like this. So, wow. So you just, this is how you make a bubble. So you spread it out,
Yep.
and then you stretch it. Bubble.
Yes, Dad. I want to try.
So what was that?
Me pick all the pumpy, Nina.
Good. Good job. This is like one of my one of my favorite slimes.
Yeah, me too. Look, Mommy. Hi, guys. Isn't this like a staple? It's a
It's
lot.
not really, it's not sticky.
My sticky, but it's sticky more. So, I think you had two cinnamon.
And that's how you make fluffy slime. This is
Yeah.
fluffy, crunchy slime.
Wait. My go fuck.
Hey guys, thank you for watching. We love this slime. It's so crunchy.
I hope you
Like,
like.
comment, and subscribe.
I hope you like it.
Hit that little bell.
Hit that. Yeah.
And then follow our Instagram, MIG.squad.
Yep.